This is a Python app that gets weather data in real time from the Australian Bureau of Meteorology. I'll run it now and show you the result. So, from this program, we've got the temperature in Canberra, temperature in Sydney, a clothing recommendation, and a comparison. So what I'd like to show you is how we can use Python to do a GET request and then convert some data from a JSON data format to a Python dictionary. And then down here we use that data. So I'll show you how we go, how I went through that program. First of all, we're going to need a couple of libraries, JSON and requests. Then we need to get the data. And this is the address for the data here. This is a JSON feed, and you can find these JSON feeds through the Australian Bureau of Meteorology website. So this one is Canberra. So our Canberra data is going to be equal to a GET request to this JSON file. The same for our Sydney data. Okay. Now, once we've got the data, we need to parse it by converting it from a JSON file to a Python dictionary. So we'll make Canberra data. Okay, and we'll check that it actually works by printing it out and click Run. And here we go. This is all of our data here for Canberra. As you can see, it's quite a lot. The JSON format is very readable though. So if I come over here, I can see that the top level is observations. So I need to look inside the observations property and find the data that's an array. So I want the first item in the array, and in particular I'm looking for air temp. So the Canberra temp is equal to Canberra data passed observations data 0 for the first item and air temp. So I'm going to print that out and just check that it's all working. Okay, I'll just clear the window first. All right, then it seems to be working. Okay, so I've passed the temperature for Sydney as well, and we'll just check that that's working. And it seems to be working. So now we have those temperatures stored in a variable, we can use that. So what I'll do is make an if statement. Okay, and let's check that it works. Fantastic. So that's how you get the latest data from the BOM website. I can think of tons of really interesting observations for this and practical applications. So hopefully you can take this and make something cool.